Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to create a system. A system consists of an operating system and whatever assets, applications, or container images that you would like to add. To create one, click the Add button next to Systems under the Composite section of the main menu. Your system can be virtual, template-based, or physical. Give your system a name and, optionally, a description. Select an operating system. Make sure that the cloud space you are working in supports the operating system template you choose. Next, configure your system settings. Set minimum requirements for CPU count, memory, and boot disk. If your system requires vGPU or nested virtualization, fill in the checkboxes under Additional Capabilities. Next, install software assets, app bundles, and/or container images. To do so, select the little plus icon from the application's asset card and return to the builder by selecting View Details from the notification box in the bottom left of your screen, or by clicking the green number next to Systems. In the case of a container image, you will need to enter more information before moving on from the Install Assets page. Next, review your system and select Finish, and there you have it, your very own system. From here, you can add your system to a scenario, launch it as a quick build, or clone it. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.